Yes, Etsy family, I hope you guys are well. Guys, this listing makes $7,625 and it's only been out for 1 month and it's selling prompts. Probably the easiest thing you can do. You're not even selling the designs, you're selling the string of words that creates the designs. It's crazy. Guys, you need to check out my playlist on prompts as well because this is crazy. But now is the time to get into selling prompts before it's too late. Let me get into this madness. But as usual, if you love Etsy products, you're creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad Etsy stuff, then please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. And don't forget share because we love to share, guys. Guys, my name's AJ and I'm all things to do with Etsy. So guys, I want to show you how to create, design, list, and all of that madness so that you can make that amazing passive income. But check this out. I love this listing. It's crazy. I'm going to open it up. $7,625. It's only been out a month. Now, I'll tell you why it's making money. I'm going to explain it, break it down. So look, what you see right now are images that you don't get, but you get the prompts to create it, right? So you get the prompts to create these actual images. You can actually do the string of words, go into DALL-E or go into, is it DALL-E? Yeah, DALL-E 3 only, no other, not MIDJOURNEY. Yeah, just DALL-E. And you can create these beautiful designs. Now, I want to tell you why this one is so good, right? Now, prompts is a grower. People are wanting to get the prompts so that they can create the designs themselves. Because look, when you put a string of words for prompts, they're always going to be slightly different, right? The AI spits them out a little bit differently, okay? But generally, that's what you would that's the design that you would get. Now, look at this. I just want to show you something. This is an entire shop. It's a bundle. So if you like, these are little smaller bundles. And what this seller's doing is they're selling the DALL-E 3 prompts, right? That's what they're doing. And you get all of these images. And what's nice is they show you what the prompts would produce, which is good. And I think if you were thinking about selling prompts, and I've done a video on it actually, in the playlist, the prompts playlist, is you need to show your customer what the prompts would look like in terms of the design. That's the key thing. Now, the other reason why this is selling so fantastically well is because it's an entire shop bundle. So they're literally selling what the shop has got, okay? And that's what they're doing. Now, it's a really, really, really smart move because, you know, this is a very, I believe it's a new store as well. So I'm going to go into the store actually very quickly because I want to look at, yeah, 323 sales, right? It actually gives you the idea that it tells you this is a prime example of a new store that is making money very quickly because they're in an unsaturated niche. Now I'm going to analyze the shop very quickly. So what they're doing is they're doing DALL-E 3, and I remember it said on the store they're going to produce MIDJOURNEY as well soon. Look at that. These are all 1-month-old listings, right? Look at that. These are all 1-month-old listings. Actually, yeah, 1-month-old listings. So presumably the store itself is only 1 month old. And for a 1-month-old store with a 1-month-old listing, trying to just see, yeah. Actually, sorry, no. The store is about 3 months old, right? The first listing came out 3 months ago. Now they did do some DALL-E 3 designs first, which are very nice, but weren't selling as well. But then look, this is where the magic happened. Certain designs started to sell. This one's a hippie gnome bundle, which was making $342 in a month. But this one by far was amazing. This store actually access to all of these other bundles, making 7,700. So why is this happening, guys? This is what you got to ask. I mean, so you got to ask yourself, how come it's making so well? Now I'll tell you how. Let me explain something. So in the last month, they made 61 sales, right? Fantastic. And if I look deeper, I look at the tags. So again, guys, you got to use something called EVERBEE or any other SEO tool. The link in my description, free access, so that you're able to analyze and find these gems, guys. Find the gems. But look at this. This is why it's doing so well. Here you go. First of all, the entire shop search on Etsy generally, whether it be you're selling designs, entire shop designs, watercolors, tumbler wraps, whatever you want to sell, you need to ensure that you somehow give access to the entire shop and have a price on it, because the entire shop is always going to give you a good revenue. Because at the moment, at time doing this video, the volume of this 326 with a competition of 609 for the keywords of entire shop bundle. It has a monster keyword score, 540. Now, the other thing that they've got is they've got the DALL-E 3 prompt keyword in the listing. Now, again, people are searching for this, 100 low search volume, but very low competition, making 200 keyword score. Then you got that. Then you got ChatGPT. Again, a very good, decent volume, very, very low saturation. So unsaturated prompt AI, again, unsaturated. Look at these high keyword scores, guys. 120, 300, 160, 540, 200. Watercolor AI prompt is also a good one, although very low volume, but still low competition. This is where you combine the best keywords, the most unsaturated in a title, and that is going to get you access to be seen and the Etsy algorithm to favor you, and hence why you're going to make the sale. Obviously, you've got to be producing what you're saying and have great quality designs, but guys, that's how the magic happens. So this is telling me right now that getting onto the DALL-E 3 prompts, selling those are going to be huge. So let me just go here. Let me go to DALL-E 3, man. Now, listen, MIDJOURNEY prompts also sell, Leonardo AI also sell, and I think prompts are going to be the future to sell on Etsy. Look at this, beautiful. 2,313 results, very low. These are all listings of prompts, DALL-E 3 prompts. These are just examples of what the designs would look like when you buy them. And that is so fantastic. You're not even selling a design. You're selling words, guys. You're just selling words and you're making that cash. Now look at this. Let's see how much potentially we could get. Now, aside from that amazing bundle that made money, let's have a look and let's just come back down to earth and see what generally we could make, right? Now, although that was a good indicator, but let's just have a look at these other ones. Look at this, guys. This is always a good sign. This is an amazing sign. I like to look at listing age. Look at these. Look how recent these are. 1 month, 2 month, 1 month, 2 month, 1 month, 1 month. Let's go down. 1 month, 2 month, 1 month, 1 month. This is a fresh niche, guys. An absolutely new niche. Look, there are others, 3, 2 months, but look at the cash. Can you see, guys, what's happening? $7,000, $7,750 with the one that we saw. 2,193, 1,348, 698, 600, 363. These are all recent listings making money, guys. These are all recent listings making money. It's the simplest thing to do. Now, I'm going to have to do a video on this. So if you do want a video on how to actually produce these DALL-E 3 prompts, drop a comment below and say, DALL-E 3, man. DALL-E 3. Just say DALL-E 3, say prompt, say anything. And I might do a video. Actually, I might do a video on it. But tell me if you want it, right? This makes money, guys. Right? This makes money. And what's beautiful about this, now, once you understand how to do it, once you understand, and it is simple, it really is. Check out my playlist. I do have a video on how to do it already. A different video, but I want to do a DALL-E 3 one. So like I said, do that. Say DALL-E 3 in the comments. But check this out. DALL-E 3 is one type. Let's go to MIDJOURNEY, because MIDJOURNEY is my go-to. So MIDJOURNEY obviously is a different type of AI design, which you guys know I always talk about. And how much is this? This is actually more results, 12,939. So I presume there'll be more competition on this one. That's just a presumption. But let's go to product analytics. Guys, you got to check out EVERBEE free access, mate. It's just there. You'll find these nuggets like I do. Check it out, mate. Okay, so again, look. Now this is a DALL-E 3 one, making 5,490. But I want to look at more specific MIDJOURNEY. Let me see. Okay, look, 500. No, this is nice. Very nice. 856. $856 per month. Look, a MIDJOURNEY. 500 plus MIDJOURNEY nursery prompts, AI art, prompt MIDJOURNEY, $856. Actually beautiful. These are nursery. So when you're doing prompts, you also want to look and do your due diligence and your research. Which things do people actually look for? So for example, nursery designs is a popular niche anyway. People buy nursery designs. So if something works as a design, then it's most likely going to translate into selling as a prompt as well. So you need to do your research in terms of what designs sell well. Now, what I like about this is that what they've got is, if you go down, it gives you information, instant access, tells you what you can do. It gives you bestsellers. Yeah, just lots of really good information on the listing, which is cool. You get a digital download. But listen, guys, you can actually check out and look at different, like for example, I might go to Leonardo AI, which is a different kind of AI design tool. And again, you know, it may be another Leo. Is it Leo? Leonardo AI. AI, man. AI, check it out. Look at this. 397 results. Actually, not as much. Really low results. Why is it? What's going on? Is it because of the trying to do this? What is this? 397 results, not so much. And maybe this isn't so popular, but I'm looking at Leonardo. What about Leonardo? Is there money in Leonardo? Again, you never know. This is why you got to do your research, guys. Okay, so Leonardo can make cash. Look at that. Leonardo AI prompts, ChatGPT, Leonardo MIDJOURNEY. Okay, so they haven't got so much actually here. These are all MIDJOURNEY prompts. These are not so much Leonardo. Okay, this is interesting, but let me just go to this. I just want to check this out. This is a 5-month-old listing making $355. Now, what I really want to check out, I want to check out these keywords, right? Look at these keywords, guys. I mean, this prompts are a massive thing. Look at that. Prompt generator, 580 keyword score, AI prompt generator, Chat GPT prompts. That seems big. So it looks like Chat GPT and DALI 3 are the ones make the cash right now. Leonardo, not so much. Look at that, not so much. Search. But I think that will grow. And MidJourney, we've seen, does quite well. So yeah, guys, look, this is the thing to get into. I think prompts is the future. I think the prompts is the way. But the key to the prompts is making sure that you got designs that people actually want to buy. And I think also giving access to your store for it eventually when you create enough designs is also a massive thing. So what I would do is I would look at designs personally that, you know, are good, really good sellers. And then that's how I'd start my research. So I type in something like prompts. I go to product analytics. Literally, I just go down until I see some prompts that are making some good cash. I mean, look at this one. This one is t-shirt design. So this one looks like a winner. This is, and also you got to understand, you got to analyze. So this is making $2,721 per month. It's a 1 month old list. Sorry, it's a 10-month-old listing or older. Yeah, this one's been around for a while. So bestseller, boom. And this is t-shirt design specific. So actually going into the t-shirt design logo idea might be a good one. MidJourney t-shirt design, that seems to be a winner, right? So obviously they've got all the designs and it also, yeah. So t-shirts could be an idea. You basically follow the money. See where the money is and what they're doing to make the cash. So t-shirt designs, you might go further and you might find some other niches that work. And then literally just go for niches that work. If you remember, we did this, I showed you the nursery images that was there. That was quite good. And then literally just kind of go down and see what ones are making that cash, which ones work, which ones are the Etsy algorithm favoring. And then, you know, just think about designs that might be poster designs. People liking maybe poster designs. A 10-month-old list making $589. MidJourney prompts, right? But maybe translate it in a different way. So see something that works maybe in MidJourney. So this works in MidJourney, but translate it into DALI 3. So you might go and do a DALI 3 one poster designs. Because it works on MidJourney, it might probably work on a different AI. It might work on something else on another platform. So that's how you do it. That's how you get into those niches, and that's how you actually find them. But guys, listen, prompts are the one. Prompts are selling. The prompts niche is the one. Go ahead and do it. Guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.